Hello everyone, Daud here. Ever wonder what the PMP exam looks like? Well, the format of the exam changed at the start of 2021. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick review of the new exam format. However, I will not discuss the content changes in this video. The exam consists of 180 questions and you will be given 230 minutes to attempt those questions. Out of those 180 questions, 175 questions will be scored and 5 questions will not count towards your score. These are test questions. Now, since you do not know which are those 5 test questions, you will have to attempt all 180 questions. As far as the question types are concerned, most of the questions will be multiple choice questions, where you will be given 4 choices and you will have to select the best choice. However, there will be few multiple response questions, matching questions, drag and drop questions, fill in the blanks questions, and hotspot questions. Now, during the exam, you will have an opportunity to take up to 2 breaks. The first opportunity comes when you have completed 60 questions. You will be given an option to take a break, a 10-minute break. One thing you must remember is that once you take the break, you will not be able to go back to those first 60 questions. So make sure that you have completed those questions and you have answered all those questions. Same thing happens at 120th question, that you will be given an opportunity to take the break. So this is what the exam format looks like. What do you think?